The budget desktop market is about to be turned completely upside down. Usually, you buy a Mac Mini because it is affordable. The next thing you know, you are refinancing your house just to afford a Vision Pro, but something massive just happened. The M5 Mac Mini just had a massive leak. It looks completely different from anything we expected. I am not talking about a sketchy Reddit rumor from a guy whose uncle works at Nintendo. No, this is the real deal. These details come straight from the Apple supply chain and massive inventory leaks. If you have been following tech, you know the Mac Mini is the undisputed gateway drug into the Apple ecosystem. But later this year, Apple is unleashing the M5 and M5 Pro. Spoiler alert, they are changing the game entirely. Rumors float around every day. But this time is different. Industry insiders like Mark Gurman just dropped these details. These experts have a pristine track record. If you go to Apple's website right now, the writing is on the wall. High-end Mac Mini and Mac Studio configurations are showing as unavailable. They have insane 10 to 12-week delivery delays. That inventory pinch is the biggest indicator we have ever had. A massive product refresh is imminent. This is the closest we have ever been to seeing the final product before Tim Cook walks on stage in his crisp white sneakers. If you expected a boring spec bump, erase that image right now. Apple's M5 architecture is taking a totally different route. It makes sense when you think about how much we rely on AI. Apple wants to dominate the professional creator market. The absolute final boss for the engineering team was thermal throttling. It is hard to cram insane power into a 5-inch box without melting a hole in your desk. Apple's top brass demanded zero compromise for Apple Intelligence. They wanted a machine that processes heavy AI data right in the room with you. This keeps your personal information safe from cloud servers, according to new reports. The M5 Pro chip features a brand new fusion architecture. Basically, they figured out how to combine separate dies into a single system on a chip. This effectively doubles the memory bandwidth. It increases processing power without increasing heat. It is a massive leap forward. It completely blurs the line between the budget Mac Mini and the expensive Mac Studio. But the Pro chip isn't even the most exciting part. The coolest part is the raw power of the base M5 model. Leaks confirm the base M5 is bringing a staggering 45% jump in graphics performance. Let that sink in. 45%. Usually, we see a tiny 10% bump. This is a true game changer. Think about what this means for you. In the past, the base Mac Mini was for emails and light photo editing. A 45% GPU boost changes the math. We are talking about entry-level hardware that handles complex 3D rendering and high frame rate gaming. Apple is tired of being the work-only computer. They want the gaming market. The M5 is their Trojan horse. Apple wants you to feel like you are sitting in front of a $3,000 rig while using an entry-level machine. Imagine rendering massive 4K video timelines without a hiccup. Pair that with a neural engine that is 3.5 times faster. That sluggish feeling of budget desktops is officially dead. This has the competition sweating bullets. PC makers are aware of Apple's strategy. But they have a massive problem. Try building a Windows machine for this price that doesn't sound like a Boeing 747 taking off. It is nearly impossible to match this quiet performance without a case the size of a mini fridge. The desktop wars are heating up, and we are the winners. The efficiency of the M5 means, even under a full load, it stays whisper quiet. For creators who record audio, that lack of fan noise is a feature you cannot put a price on. Let's look at the hardware. The outer aluminum shell will look like the recent radical redesign. Apple is keeping that ultra-compact Apple TV style form factor. They are also keeping those convenient front-facing ports. No more reaching blindly behind your computer like you are defusing a bomb. But there is a huge update to storage. Apple has finally killed the 256 GB model for good. It is 2026, and Apple is finally starting the Mac Mini at 512 GB of base storage. They are also keeping 16 GB of RAM as the standard dot. This means no more ridiculous dongles and external drives dangling off your desk. This storage move is the most un-Apple thing they have done in a decade. For years, they upcharged users hundreds of dollars for usable space. By moving the floor to 512 GB, they are acknowledging that modern files and AI models won't fit on tiny drives. It makes the base model a one-and-done purchase for most people. If you want the fastest speeds, you still have to pay the Pro tax. You will need the M5 Pro for Thunderbolt 5 ports. But the base M5 still gets Thunderbolt 4. Plus, you get future-proof Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6. Here is the catch. Because the baseline storage is higher, the price is bumping up. We are looking at a new entry price of $699. Honestly, for 512 gigabytes of storage, 16 gigabytes of memory, and a 45% GPU boost, I would take that deal all day. I will skip my iced lattes for a month to make that happen. Apple is bracing for a world where AI is a requirement. Apple Intelligence needs massive local RAM and NPU power. By overspecing the M5, they ensure every customer has a perfect experience with Siri. They are building a moat around their ecosystem. Once you experience this speed at this price, a $600 Windows Tower feels like moving backward in time. My honest opinion. This is the smartest move Apple has made in years. For a long time, the base Mac Mini felt like a teaser product. It was designed to get you in the door and then hit you with expensive upgrades. Now, the entry-level model is a viable prosumer machine. It is no longer just for browsing. It is for creating. If these leaks hold true, $699 is a steal for the longevity you are getting. You could use this machine for the next 7 years without feeling left behind. The Mac Mini used to be the cheap Mac. Now, it is the smartest Mac. It offers 80% of the Mac Studio's power for a fraction of the cost. If you have been waiting to upgrade that old Intel or M1 Mac, this is your sign. The supply chain doesn't lie. The warehouses are clearing out. The new king of the desktop is almost here. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.